Well,
Okay.
we got us a drift
Hold
bike.
on.
It's still recording, I think, so long as it's.
Oh yeah. Okay.
As long
Yep.
as the countdown's working. We got us a drift bike, and it needs new skins.
What happened to the old skins, Ray?
The guy that's operating the camera rode the living shit out of it until the skin blew up and damn near hit me in the head.
Ah, yeah.
So, I looked on the internet. There wasn't very much in the way of installing new skins except for one guy using Joy soap. Well, I'm going to one-up him a little bit on Joy soap. We got the trike up on the jack stand. Ray's secret sauce is antifreeze. Now, I already took the tire and I washed it down with soap and water to get any dirt off of it.
Is this everyday any antifreeze? It looks like it's blue. It must be the Asian variety.
It is the Asian variety, but it's any old antifreeze will do it. You slick it down till it's nice and wet. Slick the inside of your. Let all the air out already on the tires. No air in the tires. Push it on about as far as your hands can do it. Dry off your hands a little bit. Grab you a dead blow hammer. The other one went on a little easier than this one. Probably should have.
Need more power. Bigger hammer. Grab the bigger hammer. Drop the big hammer on it. It is going on though.
About the time a person wants to show off, about the time it's going to look funny.
Oh, it's getting in.
Put the other one on quicker than this one.
We might have had a little more reverse pressure on that other tire.
Yeah, I might have.
That was the other thing. You try to squeeze so much out, you get a little reverse pressure on it. But we're just an inch and a half away from having it all done. Of course, that's what she said moment right there.
Go ahead and talk about what kind of bike it is.
Well, these folks ended up coming out with this setup because he was in a big accident and he was no longer able to play with all the toys he was used to playing with. So he was in a wheelchair, and he decided that something nice and low to the ground like this Big Wheels here should probably have a motor in it. And lo and behold, after I'm sure quite a few beers in his shop and a lot of tinkering with his buddies, he came up with this setup. So since then, quite a few folks have copied his design and set it up the way that he has. However, nobody's quite got it as thoroughly as he has.
Where did it come from?
This came from, oh gosh, what was it? Kentucky? What was it?
I don't know.
It was the East Coast.
I believe the first company was out there in the Carolinas somewhere.
I think, yeah, that sounds about right. And he didn't realize that he could have had a patent on it for the time frame that he had. So he never did file for the patent, thinking that it had expired, and then lo and behold, as soon as it actually had expired, 5 or 6 knockoffs ended up hitting the market. And it does have. Whoa, hey Ray! All right, nice.
It's super slick.
Yeah, and it's got disc brakes that are also hydraulic, so not that the brakes do you much good. It's just slipping and sliding everywhere you go, which is the key to why this thing's so much fun. See a little road rash right here, and why this tire's a little bit off kilter. That was thanks to me having a little too much fun one day as I was learning how to ride it. We're about in there.
Oh, that last half inch is killing me.
Yeah, that's what she said. Unfortunately, that's all some people have.
All right. Well, Well, so much for being ultra easy. But that's the way I did it last time. That one went on faster than this one. So
Yeah, probably about 5 times. 5 times fewer poundings.
just about there.
I think it's looking sharp. Looking sharp, Ray. I like it. Now we're going to try to true it out a little bit.
Looks pretty dang square.
Yeah, and then when we pump the air up, I'm guessing it would probably suck up some of those areas as well. All right.
Then,
Nice.
new skins.
Woo!
Later.